Here's everything you need to know about how to clean a concrete driveway the right way. Here's what you need to know. Learn the proper method to clean concrete driveways without damage. Includes pressure washing safety, seasonal care, and cost-effective techniques for North Carolina homeowners. Quick answer. Clean concrete driveways with a pressure washer set to 2,500 to 3,000 psi, a 25 to 40 degree nozzle, and 12 to 18-inch working distance. For heavy stains, pre-treat with degreaser or mildicide 15 to 20 minutes before washing. Most professional cleaning costs $150 to $400 depending on size, and seal the driveway afterward to extend its life 5 to 10 years. A concrete driveway is one of the most visible assets on your North Carolina home, but dirt, algae, oil stains, and road salt accumulate quickly, especially in the humidity of Charlotte, Raleigh, and the surrounding Piedmont regions. Cleaning it wrong, however, can cause permanent damage. Excessive pressure washing causes spalling, crazing, and surface pitting that invite water infiltration and freeze-thaw damage. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. This guide explains the right way to clean your driveway, protect it from damage, and maintain it for decades. Unlike contractors who demand deposits up front, local concrete funds all materials and labor, paying nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. This post explains how to maintain concrete driveways through safe, damage-free cleaning practices, essential for homeowners in North Carolina's humid climate where mold, algae, and road salt accelerate surface deterioration. Pressure washing at 3,000 psi or less with proper nozzle selection removes stains without causing spalling or pitting. Unlike contractors who demand deposits up front, local concrete funds all materials and labor, protecting homeowners from financial risk. Most concrete driveway cleaning runs $150 to $400 depending on size and debris level, though preventive maintenance costs far less than repairs from pressure washing damage or seal coat failure. Moving on to pressure washing safety and SI guidelines. The biggest mistake homeowners make when cleaning a concrete driveway is using too much pressure. Residential and commercial pressure washers range from 1,500 psi, light duty, to 4,000 plus psi, industrial, and concrete driveways require a middle ground approach. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, mature concrete can safely withstand 3,000 psi with proper nozzle selection and distance control, but pressures above high-strength concrete damage the cement paste matrix and expose aggregate. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.